Let's count on nouns, your guide to countable nouns. Hello, English learners. Welcome to another lesson where we uncover the secrets of the English language, step by step. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of countable nouns. As the name suggests, these are the nouns that we can count. But what does that mean, and how does it affect how we use these words in sentences? Let's find out together. Countable nouns, as the term implies, are nouns that can be counted. They have a singular form and a plural form, which means we can use them with numbers and the articles a and n. For example, we can have 1 apple, 2 apples, or many apples. Examples of countable nouns would be words like book, I have a book, I have 2 books. Dog, there is a dog in the park. There are many dogs in the park. Cup, I need a cup of tea. I've washed all the cups. Note that, with countable nouns, we use the plural form when referring to more than one of the item. Understanding how to use countable nouns correctly in sentences can greatly enhance your English language skills. When we use countable nouns in the singular form, we often use a or n before the noun. For example, an apple is on the table. I saw a dog in the park. When we use countable nouns in the plural form, we can use them with numbers, or words like some, many, a lot of, a few. I have 3 books. There are many dogs in the park. He ate some apples. We only have a few cups left. Remember that the noun needs to be in the plural form when referring to more than one. A common mistake English learners often make with countable nouns is forgetting to change the noun to its plural form when referring to more than one. Remember, we say 1 apple, but 2 apples. Also, remember to use the right article or number with countable nouns. We don't say a dogs or an books. We say a dog or an apple. There you have it, English learners. You now know what countable nouns are and how to use them correctly. Remember, countable nouns can be counted, have a singular and a plural form, and are used with numbers and articles. Keep practicing and you'll master the use of these nouns in no time. Until next time, happy learning!